The Georgetown program for me offered an opportunity to be involved in a real estate community at the same time that I was getting an education. Being located in Washington, D.C. gives Georgetown a real leg up on other real estate programs because we get to be in the heart of the action for one of the most active real estate cities in the nation, if not the world.
The learning that takes place is interactive, and it's got to come from everybody. And that, I think, is how we get the best out of the class. One of the most important things about the program is the fact that it is centered on real-life experiences. But the real teaching comes from case studies and actual experiences that have taken place out there.
What I have found is that if I learn something in class one day, I'm using it the next.
It's completely flexible, the ability for you to customize what classes you're taking.
I can cater different classes to meet my needs. We all come from different walks of life, from property managers to architects to lawyers to real estate developers.
The caliber of people, students, professors, and associated people are a valuable benefit to what I do every day and probably what I'll do for the rest of my career.